Hello. Do you know that your body is like a super amazing team? It's made up of different parts that work together to keep you healthy and strong. These parts are organized into groups called body systems, and today we're going to learn about some of the most important ones. First up is the skeletal system. This system is made up of all the bones in your body. It's like a frame that holds you up and gives you shape. Your skeletal system also protects your organs. Your skull protects your brain, and your ribs protect your heart and lungs. Bones also help you move. Next up, we have the muscular system. Muscles are attached to your bones and help you move. You have muscles in your arms, legs, and even your face. Your heart is a special muscle too. It helps to pump blood all around your body. The circular system is like a superhighway inside you. Your heart pumps blood through tubes called blood vessels. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. It also carries away waste products that your body needs to get rid of. The respiratory system helps you breathe. When you breathe in, your lungs take in oxygen from the air. Oxygen is what gives your body energy. When you breathe out, your body gets rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. Next up, the digestive system. This system breaks down the food you eat into tiny pieces that your body can use for energy and growth. Your stomach and intestines are part of this system. It's a long journey from your mouth to the end where the parts of the food your body can't use come out. The nervous system is your body's control center. Your brain, spinal cord, and nerves work together to send messages all over your body. It helps you think, feel, move, and sense the world around you. Next, the excretory system helps your body get rid of waste. Your kidneys filter your blood and make urine. Your skin gets rid of waste when you sweat. This system is very important for keeping you healthy. So you see, your body is like an amazing team. All these systems work together and even more to keep you alive, healthy, and able to do all the things you love to do. Remember, take care of your body by eating healthy foods, drinking water, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Thank you for watching.